You see it coming up from the south. So in Bosque County, we're already starting to see and get reports of some of this reaching the ground. Remember, the air got really dry with that sunshine. We actually warmed up above freezing, at least around the Metroplex there briefly. But now we're back below freezing. By the way, we won't get above freezing again probably until Friday afternoon. But we are watching this coming up from the south headed towards the Metroplex. I fear that through the overnight hours, we're going to have some icing on the roads. And the worst of it will be from the Metroplex down to the southeast towards Anderson and parts of Henderson County. Now, all this coming up from the south. This will continue through the night, and in doing so make for some black ice conditions for the Metroplex, and you can see all the way up into Collin County as well. Then across Ellis and to Kaufman and Rockwall, we could have some dangerous travel through the overnight and by tomorrow morning. Then it only gets worse, because after we get some ice on the road, we're going to start having this change over to snow, and then we're going to get snow on the road. And it's going to be a blowing snow at that. It's going to arrive midday over in Graham and Bowie, all the way into Wise County to Erath County. That's where the heavy snow will first come in from the west. Then it moves into the Metroplex as we probably get around between 2, 4 in the afternoon. Heavy snow will continue into the night, and on top of that, visibilities will get down to a quarter of a mile or less, because it'll be a blowing snow and very strong north winds. Forecast models have been consistent. A heavy snow is expected, especially to the northwest. You saw that 10-inch there forecasted by one of the models in Bowie. We're forecasting between 6 to 8 inches of snow across parts of Jack County into Montague. We're expecting around the Denton area 3 to 4 inches and 3 to 4 inches of snow. Fort Worth and Dallas, the biggest snow perhaps since 2011. We're also going to have a heavy band of snow set up across our eastern counties. In Canton and Athens, we could have as much as a ½ foot of snow. Keep in mind, drivers are not used to that kind of snow. The last time we even had a 1-inch snow was almost 6 years ago, and the last time we had a 4-inch snow or bigger, well, that was the really big snow back 11 years ago. So drivers are not used to snow on the roads around here. And I need to talk about temperatures. Temperatures right now in the mid-20s will drop down to around 20 degrees by tomorrow morning, but the very strong north winds will make it feel like near zero. As the day goes on and the conditions worsen, the wind's going to pick up, the wind chills are going to start dropping, and the temperatures are going to start dropping as well. It's going to get extremely cold. These are the feel-like temperatures at the end of the day and the first of the evening tomorrow. They're below zero. This is dangerous cold. It will be that way Monday morning, even worse on very icy roads, snow-packed roads. Please do not be traveling Monday if you are caught outside. This is dangerous cold with these wind chills in the negative numbers. We're going to bottom out on Monday morning and Tuesday morning with the coldest temperatures we've seen in over 3 decades. There are a lot of houses that have been built in the last 3 decades in North Texas, and they have not experienced cold temperatures like this. Protect your pipes. We'll have, by the way, Valentine's Day, a new record for the coldest Valentine's Day ever. I have to show you this. This is Tuesday night and Wednesday. We could have another snow event. Ice down across our southern counties that could accumulate and create power line problems. That's Wednesday. Let's just get through this first winter storm. There's another one right on its heels. Here's a 7-day forecast, below freezing for the next 5 days. You can see we'll finally climb out of it by Friday, and the snow, all the roads will probably start melting away as we get into midday Friday and certainly by Saturday. Until then, dangerous traveling conditions will persist for about 4 days.